The Yeolet Fingerprint Door Lock YL-001 offers a seamless keyless entry experience with multiple unlocking options, including a biometric fingerprint sensor, keypad, app control, and traditional key. This advanced door lock boasts a high-sensitivity biometric system that recognizes fingerprints in just 0.3 seconds, making access quick and convenient. With app connectivity, users can control the lock remotely, manage access, receive notifications, and even generate temporary access codes for guests. The smart deadbolt features a reliable low-battery alert system and can be powered by 4AA batteries or a Type-C emergency power port, ensuring uninterrupted security. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring only a screwdriver and compatible with all United States standard doors, automatically adjusting for left or right-handed doors. The Yeolet lock is designed with an anti-peep code feature to enhance security by preventing unauthorized access during password entry.